Hi, welcome to Flow with Sky. Today we will do an eagle wrap flow. Let's get to it. Let's begin in a chair pose, sinking your hips back and down while squeezing your inner thighs together. Engaging the core, knitting the ribs in. Taking a few breaths. Exhale, hands to heart center. Finding a moment of stillness. Exhale, forward fold. Nod your head no, shake your head yes. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Step your right leg back. Inhale, high crescent lunge. Sweep your arms high. Press into your back toes. Exhale, eagle wrap the arms. Right arm goes underneath. Take a back bend. Press your hands back, gaze back. Exhale, humble eagle, left shoulder inside of left knee. Keep your bend through that left knee. Toppling tree pose. Reach your right leg high to the sky as you tip your chest down. Chin to chest, gaze back behind you. Inhale, warrior three with your eagle arms. Your chest is proud, your leg is high, creating a capital T shape in the body. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana, right knee comes up into your chest, keeping the eagle arms. Eagle wrap the legs, right leg goes over. Sink low, zip your inner thighs together. Pulling into the midline of the body, draw your elbows up. Slowly release, inhale, back bend, keeping the eagle arms. Exhale, fold, releasing the eagle arms. Onto the other side, chair pose, sweeping the arms high. Sinking low, taking that moment of stillness. Hands to heart center. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, up your left leg back. High crescent lunge, sweep both arms high to the sky. Finding your eagle bind, left arm goes underneath. Right arm goes over or give yourself a hug. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, humble eagle, right shoulder inside of right knee. Taking your time, tucking your chin to your chest, crown of the head down. And then shifting the weight forward, your left heel lifts off of the earth. Toppling tree with the eagle arms. Tipping your crown down. Gently rise. Allow your torso to lift. Warrior three. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana, left knee comes up into your chest. Exhale, eagle wrap, left leg goes over, sink low. Zip your inner thighs together and pull everything into the midline of your body. One more breath in. You got this. One more breath out. And slowly release. Inhale, take that back bend. Exhale, fold. Shake your head no, nod it yes. Thank you so much for joining me. This was Flow with Sky. I hope to catch you next week. Bye.